Hi everyone, welcome to another Tuesday Tech Tips. This is another video about Krisp, and this will be the last one for the topic, I promise, for now. Ahead of the actual video later, I want to apologize that it's a little rough around the edges since I literally just thought of doing this 5 minutes ago and just did it with my phone on hand. With that out of the way, let me just advise you to watch the first Krisp video that I did last August 25th so you'll understand what it is, where and how to download, install, and use it, and how awesome this software is on blocking background noises, especially during online class or working from home sessions on both input and output devices of your machine. The link of the said video will pop up above the screen, and it can also be found in the video description below. Aside from watching that, I will also assume that you already have Krisp installed in your machine with your account logged in, and then we'll need another computer where Krisp hasn't been installed yet, which is where we'll accept your account's referral URL and let you earn 2 months of free pro version for each acceptance, which we can repeat over and over again until the machine has been registered to Krisp. You'll get what I mean when you watch the video. So let's start. Again, I apologize for the quality of this video. It is not my best, I admit, but I think this way I can actually make you see how to properly execute this workaround to have months or even years of free pro version of Krisp. I am currently on my main laptop. As you can see, I have until May 2023 of free pro version of Krisp. I've also opened my account in the browser. You can do that by clicking on the email from the Krisp desktop window. And from this page, you will need to copy your referral invitation URL. We will be using it on the second machine. Make sure to copy this. Then let's move to the second laptop. I am now on a different laptop. As you can see, I have copied the referral invitation URL to a notepad in this laptop since we'll be needing that. I just installed Krisp here a few minutes ago just to test. For this case that you already have Krisp installed in the machine, you will just need to sign out from the desktop application as well as from the web interface. To open the web interface, just click on the email part of the Krisp window. Then from this page, just click on the drop down button of your email, then sign out. Then go to the desktop application and also sign out. To start with the process of getting 2 months of free pro version, we'll need a temporary email. So go to temp-mail.org. This will generate a new temporary email for you. And while it is generating, you can go to the referral invitation URL of your account. You can copy it from wherever you stored it, then paste it to the URL bar, enter. Then we can go back to the temp mail to check the newly generated email and copy it. And then we can go back to the Krisp window, accept the invitation, then paste the temporary email here, then click continue. And from the temp mail, we should receive a new email. Here we go. So open that mail. Then we can have the code, copy the code, and paste it here. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, there we go. You are now logged in with the temporary email, and now we need to sign in to Krisp. Just click sign in, and it will open a web page saying that you have signed in. There you go. So let's go back to the main machine, to the main laptop, to see if we have received the additional 2 months. So take note that we have until May 2023. There you go, May 2023. So let's see when we refresh this. So it's still May 2023, but we have a refresh button here. And there you go, we are now July 2023. So we have received the additional 2 months. So you can do this over and over again until the machine, the other machine has been registered to Krisp. So by that time, when Krisp already know that the machine has already a Krisp installed in it, it will not work anymore. So you need to do this over and over again during the first day or even at the second day if it still works. So let's try doing it again just to prove the point. So from the temp mail, we need to reset our temp mail. So just go back and then click the delete button here, the delete on the top part. So that will delete the temporary mail that we created earlier, and it will create a new one. So from the Krisp web interface, just sign out again. Okay. And from the desktop, just sign out also. Okay. And now we will repeat the process. We will go to the referral URL again. Okay, copy the referral URL again and paste it here. Enter. Then accept the invitation again. Then use the newly generated email. As you can see, it's a different mail now since we've deleted the first one. Okay, paste it here. Continue. Then go back to temp mail to check if the email has arrived. And there we go. Open the email. We will be copying the code again for this one. And paste it here. And wait for a few seconds to load. There you go. You are now logged into the temporary email again, and we will need to sign in for the 2 months to take effect in the desktop application. Okay, there we go. You're signed in. So let's go back to the other machine again. Take note, we are now up to July 2023. Let me check that. Yes, July 2023. So this should be July, August, September. This should be September 2023 now when we refresh. So let's, okay, July 2023. Let's refresh. And there you go, September 2023. So when you click this, open the web interface, you will see that your air code friends who have accepted will be listed here. So we are, there you go, the last 2 emails that we've accepted the invitation. So you can do that over and over again to have a few more months or even have years if you want. You have more time. So just repeat the process and enjoy. So again, you need to do this within the first day or second day, or I'm not sure when Krisp registers the MAC address of the machine, but until it is registered to the Krisp, you can do this over and over again. But once it is registered to Krisp, the MAC address, this will not work anymore. So you need to take time to do this over and over again if you want more free pro version of Krisp. So that's it. Nila Zuj for watching. Nova Air.